In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay a video in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, mastering video overlays can really enhance your project, adding depth and visual interest like never before. Let's dive right in, ensuring that every step is both informative and straightforward. We'll begin this journey on the edit page of Davinci Resolve. Here, you'll see a user-friendly interface that's designed to streamline your editing process. Now, let's assume you already have your clip set up on the timeline. If that's not the case, take a moment to import your desired clip by dragging it from your media pool to the timeline. It's a simple action, but crucial as the foundation for everything we will do next. Now that your first clip is in place, it's time to introduce the overlay. Choose the video you want to overlay and drag it directly above the existing clip on the timeline. In Davinci Resolve, layering is key. The order of clips is similar to physical layers, with the topmost clip forming the visual surface. Once you've set your video pathways, you're ready to adjust the overlaid video. This is where the magic of customization happens. You have a couple of tools at your disposal. One option is to use the Transform tool, which grants you manual control over the size, position, and aspect of your overlay. Simply select the overlay clip and look for the Transform tool in the toolbar. This tool is quite intuitive. You can click and drag to reposition or resize your video as needed. Another approach is to utilize the settings available in the Inspector menu. The Inspector can be accessed by clicking on the Inspector tab on the upper right side of your screen. In the Inspector, you'll find more detailed settings allowing for precise control over position, rotation, zoom, and other parameters. This is particularly useful if you need your adjustments to be exact, or if you're striving for consistency across multiple projects. Consider taking a moment to explore these options and see the difference they can make in your finished video. Adjusting the opacity, for example, can create a ghost-like overlay for stylistic influence, while precise scaling can ensure nothing important is cropped out of the visible frame. Experimentation is key to discovering what works best for your particular aesthetic or storytelling goal. And that's essentially how you overlay a video in Davinci Resolve. Always remember, practice makes perfect, and every minute spent honing your skills will bring tangible benefits to the quality of your video projects. Enjoy utilizing these new tools and techniques to enrich your creative outputs, and happy editing!